Welcome to part 2 of our Paris Hotel and Casino stay on March 2nd, 2021. On this episode, we will show you the pool, the gym, the spa, as well as the Hex restaurant.
We also had the opportunity to visit the mini Eiffel Tower deck, which you can find in the links below. If you have any funny, romantic, or strange stories about your visit to this casino and hotel, please leave those in the comments below. We love reading and hearing from you all.
So let's get to it. We hope you enjoyed these 2 episodes, so please like and share this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell icon so that you can be alerted every time we upload new content.
Good morning. Yep.
Yes.
I just need you to come sign in.
Oh, okay. You want to sign in for us? Or do we both sign in?
You each need to sign in.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you. Yeah, we came earlier and it was closed.
Yeah, it's 7 to 4. Hi, good morning. Okay, just come sign in right here.
As you come into the gym area, you pass the Voix Spa. This is a French-inspired spa which boasts an array of services ranging from facial treatments, detox baths, scrubs, massages, and spray tanning to just name a few, because the list goes on and on. So feel free to click in the link below for the PDF brochure, which has a complete list of things you can spend money on.
I really should have got the bikini wax, but I did not. So the gym primarily consisted of machine weights, treadmills, and a very small selection of the free weights. It's pretty much the bare minimum needed to accomplish a workout. Overall, it did work, but barely. Breakfast. Do the breakfast dance. Do we have that? We need to go up to the room actually. Here. And go back to the room because we need that.
Monday through Thursday, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m.
And
It's Wednesday at
closed.
what time? A brioche bun with an egg and cheese.
With what?
Egg and cheese.
Oh, okay. Let's go. It's called L'Oasis. The Paris pool, which is called the Soleil Pool, is unlike any other pool in Las Vegas. It is a rooftop pool situated directly underneath the replica of the Eiffel Tower. Now, You can enjoy an incredible view of the Eiffel Tower as well as the Arc de Triomphe. And if you time your visit right, part of the Bellagio fountain show. The heated pool is open year-round and wheelchair accessible. Now, the hours of operation, I believe, are from 9 to 8 p.m. during the summer, but only 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the winter. Besides the pool itself, the swimming area includes 2 jacuzzis and the Café du Parc, where you can grab a bite to eat. Lounge chairs are available, as well as cabanas and day beds.
Okay, so we made it out to the pool. And a few rules. You are supposed to have your mask on at all times unless you're continually eating and drinking or in the water. And they have a 3-strike policy. So, supposed to have mask on.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all. All that I need. Trying to sugarcoat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors, our memories, how the sun has come down. Like a river rising way up above. This ain't no sugarcoat.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You got it.
Cheers
Cheers.
to another Vegas extravaganza. Would you like a sip of my drink?
When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want.
Looking good.
Thank you. We're gonna head out for dinner, right?
Yep.
Put our masks on. Do you have your mask?
Oh, I do. Located in the heart of the Strip at the Paris Las Vegas, Hex Kitchen and Bar offers spectacular patio dining with unbeatable views of the fountains of Bellagio. This place is a great location for either breakfast, lunch, or late night dining. Now, Hex was developed by Matthew Silverman and executive chef Carlos Buscaglia. Now, the menu focuses on dishes made from fresh quality sourced ingredients. Now, with a comprehensive beverage program developed by sommelier and beverage director Troy Kumale, and if I've mispronounced that, I do apologize. Hex does offer wine and beer sourced from around the globe. Just kind of thank you.
Joy.
Yep. Thank you. Why don't you tell everybody what you got?
Oh, I've got chicken parmesan with spaghetti. And it has these almonds.
Okay. Now I had the cavatelli a la vodka. This looks really good. So they ended up putting us on the patio, which was really kind of nice as far as the the view of where we were, because it was in front of the fountain. And as you'll see in the video, the fountain did end up going off at one point.
And we did request to be on the balcony outside.
Well, yeah, and then also there was actually it's not a balcony; it's just the patio. Balcony's second floor or something like that.
So we did request to be on the patio.
Yeah, so and they gave us right up front. Now the negative part about being on that patio is the incredible amount of noise that's going on there. You're getting all walks of life that are coming by
From the street traffic.
Yeah, from street traffic and sidewalk traffic for that matter.
Right.
But again, like I said, you do get that view of the fountain. As far as food was concerned,
Oh, it was on point.
yeah, it really was. Service was really good. They serve you like a hot bread once, as you see in the video. That was really nice.
And sectioned and pull apart, perfect sections, and just
Yeah, it was really good. So as far as the restaurant was concerned, it was overall a great experience. As far as affordability, it was moderate. Other restaurant choices that you can choose from are the Martiranos, which you see pictured here, as well as the Gordon Ramsay Steakhouse. That's going to be upscale. You have the Burger Brasserie, as well as the Eiffel Tower restaurant, Mon Ami, as well as JJ's Boulangerie. So there's a lot of other choices that you have as far as restaurants are concerned. I'll go ahead and put a complete list of the Paris restaurants available.
So, looking over our list of cons and pros, we do have a few more cons. The check-in is from 4 p.m. and check-out is 11 a.m., so it's not a full 24 hours in the room.
Yeah, I mean, that's just ridiculous.
Yeah, and we attempted to do a late checkout, and they gave us until 12, which was an hour later, but
Yeah, not much of a late checkout. Yeah. Now, as far as room service was not available, so that was a bit of a letdown. We couldn't really judge or rate the room service, so that was a big bummer. Okay, now as far as the beds are concerned, now we appreciate a less firm bed. These were exceptionally firm beds.
and there's plenty of people that like a firm bed. It just wasn't for us.
Yeah. Now, the pillows that were on the bed too were a bit mix and match. So it kind of felt like they were using pillows that other people left, but not.
Very lumpy and not comfortable.
Yeah, and they were just mismatched in general. Now, there was also a spot where paint was falling from the ceiling. Not a big deal. It's I'm just nitpicking at this point. And then there was, as you saw in the video, there was the sticker residue on the armoire.
That could have been taken off easily.
Yeah, exactly.
The view from the window was a lot less than desirable, even though we were told we were receiving an upgrade. There really wasn't an upgrade because we were looking at the buildings,
garage.
and the garages, and
Yeah, the parking structures in the rear.
right opposite of the strip.
Yep. So, and that's with us coming on a Tuesday when the occupancy was so low. You would think that they would at least try to accommodate us there. They did not. So
It's hard to believe with the low occupancy that there wouldn't be a room facing the strip.
exactly. Now, as far as the hot tubs were not open either, so that was a bit of a bummer. We do like soaking in the tub, so it's a bummer that
We do like hot tubs.
yeah.
But for a pro, the pool was heated, and so it was very comfortable.
Yes, exactly. Also, now that we're on to pros, the room was exceptionally clean. So we got to give that to them.
Yes.
They did a great job as far as making sure it was clean.
That makes it very comfortable for me.
Yeah. The decor was a bit minimal, but it was pleasant. I mean, again,
I liked it. In the room, it was very
Yeah.
minimal, but in the hallways and in the casino,
yeah, they did
very
a good
nice.
job. Yeah, very themed. The body products, as far as the shampoo, conditioner, and all that stuff, it worked great.
Well, I just will have to take your word for that because
Yeah.
I didn't try them.
The towels, everything was very clean. That was nice.
And the staff was really attentive and pleasant and helpful. Anytime we were inquired for anything, they were very helpful.
Yeah. Now, so overall feeling, at least in my opinion, the overall experience, I guess, would be, it's okay. You get what you pay for. It's I didn't sleep well, but aside from that,
If you're going to Vegas for, other things other than sleeping, it's a good room to sleep if you're not going to get much sleep.
yeah. So that's our
That's our take.
that's our take on it. Yep. The package, man.
All right, so we got to look out first thing in the morning. We go down to the gym is closed. They don't open until 7. So now, here we are. We have 15 minutes.
Back to the room.
Back to the room.
Cheers. Yay, Fat Tuesdays. I know it's really not healthy, but it's our guilty pleasure when we come here.
That's what we work so hard for.
Yes. Guilty pleasures. So, all right. Well, now we're off to Area 15.